DJI Goggles FPV Headset Racing Edition Bundle Starter Bundle. The DJI goggles are designed for first-person viewing FPV applications using compatible DJI products. By receiving the video downlink from the wireless transmitter on your DJI aircraft, the goggles facilitate a truly immersive flying experience. The goggles feature dual 5 screens. Each screen boasts a 1080p resolution with an 85 degrees field of view. Both 720p 60 and 1080p 30 video viewing are available, depending on transmission distance, with a low latency rate of only 110 ms. The goggle supports DJI's intelligent flight modes, including terrain follow, ActiveTrack, TapFly, cinematic mode, tripod mode, and fixed wing mode. You can access key intelligent features through the integrated touchpad, such as focus adjustment. Multiple interface options allow you to connect compatible devices to the goggles via its micro USB port, HDMI input, or 3.5mm audio jack. The goggles also support MicroSD cards for recording your flight video. In terms of design, the goggles were engineered to be worn comfortably throughout the entire 6-hour battery life, so you won't suffer from wear as fatigue. This kit includes DJI Goggles 1080p HD Immersive FPV Drone Accessory Racing Edition, manufacturer Accessories SanDisk Ultra, 16GB MicroSD card with Adapter Micro HDMI Cable, 6 feet, 5 PC cleaning kit, Microfiber cleaning cloth. For more info and special discounts, please click on the link below.